Bongo, look at all these magic gifts.
Let's open and learn.
A is for alligator. Snap, snap, surprise! B is for banana. Slippery gift. C is for car. D is for dolphin. Splash gift. E is for elephant. Cute baby. F is for fox. Sneaky. G is for grapes. H is for hat. Cute hat. I is for ice cream. Cold. Yum. Yum. J is for jellyfish. Wiggle gift. K is for kite. Up it goes. L is for lemon. Sour face. M is for mango. Juicy gift. N is for nest. So cozy. O is for octopus. 8 arms. P is for pumpkin. Bowing. Q is for queen. Royal gift. R is for rabbit. S is for star. Sunshine star. T is for oi. Cute toy. U is for umbrella. V is for van. Cute van. W is for whale. Big splash. X is for xylophone. Music gift. Y is for yacht. Sail away. Z is for zebra. Stripey. Surprise. Learning is magical. Bye-bye. So many gifts, Bongo. Each gift has a letter.